What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna start this video by saying, yes, this is technically an unboxing. I'm removing the box from my life. I've decided that I'm gonna try to unbox, like actually unbox things going forward, but I just get too excited. Sometimes I open it up upstairs, sometimes my wife opens things, which is, you know, not good for me in the long run, but I need to figure that out. You did see that video I made on the Ethos car care, the DeFi, the waterless wash and wax type product. I really did like that, so I said I was gonna order a gallon product. What I did was order a gallon of that plus some other products to test, and I believe they are sending me something special soon in the mail to test also. Anyway, let's get into what I bought here. I'm just going to take things out, show you as I go and talk about it, what I like. And then we're going to do our little scent test. So this is the Ethos ceramic shampoo. So it's the SiO2 infused. It's a maintenance shampoo. I have a coating on the vehicle, so I thought that was kind of cool. My other vehicles do not have a coating, and sometimes you just like a good shampoo. When I see these words, pH balanced, that makes me excited, and concentrated also makes me excited. So that means it's safe for my paint, which means it could dry on the paint, kind of like the Adams shampoo, which is another reason why I did like the Adams shampoo a lot. So maybe this will replace the Adams shampoo. Who knows? It's up in the air. We gotta test it. I am a big wheel cleaner fanatic. This right here is a 2-in-1, so it's got iron decontamination, deep cleans, and decontaminates. So it's got a deep clean and decontaminate. Let's see what else we got. I'm excited to try this product out. This is called Dry and Seal. It's acrylic sealant and drying aid. So I guess this is going to be more kind of like H2O Garden Gloss by Adams. I guess Ammo Hydrate would be another one. Leno's Garage makes another product similar. There are a few out there, like when the product, I guess it's still wet on the paint, the water, and you want to take, I think this might be the same idea behind this. Yes, it can be wet or dry, give some protection, lightly spread and buff the area, seal across the panel. So that's if you want to do a quick sealant. So I don't know, I guess the instructions are going to be a little bit different than the H2O Garden Gloss, so maybe the outcome will be different as well. We could also test that. This is something that was interesting to test out. I always like toppers. Toppers is what's going to keep your original coating not malfunctioning on you. Again, you always run the risk when you're doing toppers that there's going to be a product that doesn't play well with the product that you used before, so it's just a risk. Worst case scenario, coatings, I have coating here, so I can always fix any issues, and I'm not stressing about it. I want to try products out. So this is also infused spray sealant. Now, those are all fine and dandy, but I told you I was going to get this product. I really, really, truly did like this product, and again, I paid for this. This is not one of those situations where this is all free or any of that stuff. I got some sprayers here. Sorry about the noise. I did pay for all this stuff, and I would gladly do it again. I'm hoping this lasts a long time. I really did have a good experience with this. Otherwise, I wouldn't have made that video. I don't pull your chain. I don't try to tell you guys to purchase something that I don't firmly stand behind or think that you're going to like, because you guys could just come back and start talking to me like I'm in it for the money. I'm not going to be that YouTube channel that goes, hey guys, and every video it's like, oh, here's my discount code. I can't stand that. If somebody can't make a video without having that little grease my palms thing in the background, that's just not honesty. That's not an unbiased environment, in my opinion. Whatever you think, that's fine, but to me, I would rather spend my own dime, and I get to say whatever I want. And you guys know, if you know me from Instagram or whatever, I do have a pretty unfiltered situation going with my mouth. So this is what I like. I have a feeling this is going to be very good. This is all up in the air. I did want to try out new wheel cleaners this year because I'm firmly stuck and planted with the Adams wheel cleaner. I'm going to have to see. This was just one of those purchases where it's like, okay, this could work. Let's see how it does. Is it going to make the paint extra smooth? Is it going to give me protection? Again, I'm not the channel like Jimbo or Apex that's going to sit here and do torture tests and stuff. If you want torture tests, those are the two I would recommend. I have confidence that these products are going to work out well. Again, you're going to get the honest opinion of me. But here's the thing. This is what you guys need to understand. My experience and how things work for me is very, very subjective. You got to take what you see on YouTube and Instagram and social media and media in general, by the way. Let's not get into that conversation, but you have to take it with a grain of salt. You have to use information from multiple sources. This is how you come to your own opinion, unless you purchase this outright and just decide for yourself. Some people like the way Optimum No Rinse is as far as a no rinse or rinseless wash, waterless wash type product. I personally like Wolfgang Uber rinseless better. It could be as simple as the smell. It could be the slickness, lubricity. It could be the way it feels in the wash mitt. It could be how long it lasts. It could be how it affects certain things with certain people's paint. Some people have different coatings. Some people have just wax. Some people don't have clay barred vehicles and they don't actually do decon correctly and things won't stick. So you get somebody that says, oh, this coating or this wax or this sealant never worked, but they never clay barred the car. So how are you going to tell me that you got the perfect? It is all subjective. The whole land of detailing is all about who are you going to listen to and take from multiple sources. I know it's a little bit of a rant. It's not what the whole point of this video was about, but I felt like I had to say it because it's the truth, guys. I've been doing this for a long time. I've spent so many thousands of dollars, so many, I can't even begin to even fathom it. I mean, this is back in the day when I was getting from Autopia and Auto Geek. That's back when I used to order from them. I mean, freaking Blackfire, Wet Diamond. If you know anything about that, that's how long ago this has been. It's been a long time. So I've got products. Actually, I'm going to show you how long it's been. I've got this product. And I was obsessed with this. Some people didn't like it. I don't even think this company exists anymore. It's a quick detailer, but it's a foam spray and wipe like detailer. Not a rinseless wash, like I would say more of like a waterless wash / like detail spiffy it up type situation. I really like that product. I ended up buying 3 foam cans. I think they're gone. I think I don't know, whatever, fly by night. Things happen all the time with these companies. They come, they go. The main players are going to stay, but then you got to be careful. They got people like chemical guys that have stink-ass hand sanitizer and 116,000 products that do the same exact thing, just smell different and have a different color. It's crazy out here. You got products here from OP Car Care. You get hydrosilics. Turtle wax is starting to make some kind of comeback here, so I'm keeping an eye on all that stuff. And I still, again, here's another can of that quick detailer. I got Slick Inside by Adams. For whatever reason, I didn't even use that yet. Americana Breakdown. I've got all these things. Even Auto Fanatic, that's some YouTuber. I've never even really watched a single video of this guy, but somebody did a video on the product. Still, whatever. I test it. I wasn't impressed with it versus other things, but it's whatever. This is what I'm saying. Everybody's got their own thing going on. Everybody's got their own opinion of stuff. I am going to start covering everything so everybody understands. Anyway, I've dragged this out too long. These are the new products. I was going to start sniffing things, to be honest, but I don't know. I have a hard time. I have a hard time pinpointing what the hell things smell like. What is this? This is ceramic shampoo. I don't know. It smells, I mean, it just kind of smells like a clean smell. It doesn't have like I don't know, maybe some kind of slight hint of fruit. Ooh, that bottle went from like skinny to plump. Oof, pach, cheesh. Exactly what you would think it would smell like. Kind of like a combination of APC and Iron X, if that helps you decide. I can't. Hello? Go to the gym much? Nope. Dry and Seal. This is kind of like a, ooh, it's thick. I'm telling you, this really, really reminds me of H2O Garden Gloss. They did go to a thicker formula. It smells, I don't know. It's got a minty, like a peppermint or spearmint or some kind of like minty change to it. And then you got this one here, ceramic refresh spray sealant. This is very pleasant. This is like that fruity, reminds me of like Skittles, all these like fruity things. I mean, I don't really like them too much. I feel like I'm gonna get diabetes just from using a lot of these products, but I don't know, that's weird. It's more of like that's a very subtle smell. And then you had this one, which I already talked about, but that's basically all it is. You know, real quick before we stop, I used to have a big like container, kind of like this container here in my old place where we used to live. I didn't have a garage, and this was back when I had just first started stacking products. I would buy it. Oh, this looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Don't do that. Don't be that guy. Don't be me. So I just started buying everything. Buy what you want to use it, and then get rid of it or replace it with the same thing or something different. I have so many of the same crap. Interior detailers, blah, blah. Anyway, so I would just smell the products all the time, and I got so addicted. I feel like I destroyed my nostrils at one point. Like I was just smelling chemicals constantly, and it's not good for you. So don't just sit here. I know some of you guys are like super into the smells. I'm very much into the smells too while using it, but don't be that guy that sits here and it turns into like a huffer or something. You're just sitting here and you're like, oh, tire bomb. Let me go get a quick sniff of that. And this Visleam tire shine. I don't know why the hell I even bought that back again. I got rid of it. I gave it away, and I bought the damn thing back. I don't know why. I'm going to do an actual video on that one day and just debunk it or decide to keep it somewhere in the back as like an emergency spare tin can of doom. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification. If you're an OCD OG, thank you again for passing by. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody's staying safe. I love you guys. God bless.